She didn't wanna know me in the jailhouse. Now she wants to know me in the roads. She forgot about the views and VS. Now she be cat for the bone. Says she wanted a gun, man. I tell her come check this store. Mr. Bucket, intense supply on danger life, they know. She didn't wanna know me in the jailhouse. Now she wants to know me in the roads. She forgot about the views and VS. Now she be cat for the bone. Says she wanted a gun, man. I tell her come check this store. Mr. Bucket, intense supply on danger life, they know.
We done for your block, why you wearing the belly? Some actors call them Hally. Enough ops got down on their block like Ricky. I don't really think they check their tally. Black gloves in the belly, 4-door lurk, smoke man like Cali. Long time I heard from Mally, he used to love trapping, queer with Sally.
Spoke Reverb to my old plug, now speak Swahili to my new one. Mommy said I'm a nuisance, cause I fed to the door for some booting.
My plug that speaks in Spanish, one phone call he'll get man vanished. Lurking traffic with my savage. You wanna get cabbage, lurks the Rambo, 3 not a kitchen. My blade on me like my bell condition. 3 bros been a minute, you took a time out cause something went missing.
Done 530 days on basic and 200 days on block. Done that.
The clocks don't stop, 3 drops got back for the dots.
She didn't wanna know me in the jailhouse. Now she wants to know me in the roads. She forgot about the views and VS. Now she be cat for the bone. Says she wanted a gun, man. I tell her come check this store. Mr. Bucket, intense supply on danger life, they know. She didn't wanna know me in the jailhouse. Now she wants to know me in the roads. She forgot about the views and VS. Now she be cat for the bone. Says she wanted a gun, man. I tell her come check this store. Mr. Bucket, intense supply on danger life, they know.
I cute you, don't move shy like Snoochie. Beauty's in need of a beast. If I pull up in a drop top hootie, boobies out on the bedroom sheets. Late nights on the guide, I'm spooky. Bookie or black tryna catch these niece. Fuck the judge like fucking Judy. Can't get G.I. and Mazzaline. Girl love causing palaver. Why? Attention seeking drama, devil in the sky but she can't afford Prada. My Marley brother that's Yaya, sick with a shank even though he's maga. I don't believe in karma, for standing that dog I'll give the right answer. I know what the CPS be after.
He ran for his life, got fried and denied it. 4 of them's no reviving. Didn't weigh your grams, thank but to the nicest. Rules on license, went back and I finished my license. Point blank, he skied it. Shouts out, bro, point blank and skied him. 3 bro, he got birded off and it's hurting. Lost, cause I know you don't mind it. Friends don't mind it. I'm on the up block just lurking, lost, tryna do it like bro per 3G, I shout them. Couldn't cut the times that we know me in the jailhouse. Now she wants to know me in the roads. She forgot about the views and VS. Now she be cat for the bone. Says she wanted a gun, man. I tell her come check this store. Mr. Bucket, intense supply on danger life, they know. She didn't wanna know me in the jailhouse. Now she wants to know me in the roads. She forgot about the views and VS. Now she be cat for the bone. Says she wanted a gun, man. I tell her come check this store. Mr. Bucket, intense supply on danger life, they know.
I told you, man. I told you, don't fuck with me. I told you, no fucking kids.